Today we have finally made it to the ice at Snow Hill. We're here at the landing site. Conditions could not be better for us. It's been months in the planning, waiting for the right ice conditions, the right weather window, and today is finally the day. We're here at the helicopter landing zone, and from here guests are arriving and heading out to the colony. It's quite an undertaking to get there. It's a walk of about 1.5 kilometers to reach the emperor penguins.
We are finally here on the colony, one of the northernmost penguin colonies on the whole Antarctica, where these incredible birds are going to spend the winter breeding and reproducing. Emperor penguins, the tallest one of them, and the most resilient, in my opinion, as these guys are going to survive the hardest conditions. Minus 60 degrees Celsius, hard winds in Antarctica, and these guys are still here. We have seen already quite a few chicks on the colony. They are big, healthy and strong. It's beautiful to see them. They are getting ready and being fed by the parents. It's such a privilege. Feels like it's going to be once in a lifetime experience.